clearest I've seen.
Say that again, sorry?
This is the clearest that I've seen.
This is what a drought will do to us, unfortunately.
Does any of this look any different at different times of year?
This area normally stays very green like this. The big difference you'll get is with the waterfalls. If you come in here and everything's been saturated and you get a lot of rain, it's quite incredible. And this is crazy to think that this is dry. All these hills that we're seeing here, these are the old eruption points, Pu'u, so it's crazy to think that 140,000 years ago these would have had erupting lava coming out of them. And this is going to be quite incredible. So we're in a forest right now. This is a rainforest, 200-300 inches of rainfall a year. Look what happens as we just come over the tip. We're going to go straight into a desert. You get 5 inches on the other side of these hills. just over there. So this will be the Mauna Kea beach, Hapuna Beach, Beach 69, and Puako is going to be that neighborhood right on the shoreline over there.
Beach 69 is the best.
Oh, by far. Don't go to the beach just next to it. That's a nude beach. It's mainly nudes from what I've been told.
Could you fly over it?
No, I've only been told. Many years ago when I was trying to impress a girl, I went to a black sand beach on the other side of the island. And it was on a Sunday. Don't go to a black... You know what I'm talking about, Roy?
Canna?
Yeah, the naked drum circles on Sunday.
I heard there's a green sand beach too on this island.
There is on the southern end of the island. And there's 4 green sand beaches in the world. I think 2 are in Ireland and we have 1. What's incredible is you'll start to see, look at that ocean color right in front of us. This will be the coral reefs. You can even pick it up on the video today. It's so clear. So white sand literally starts here, and you'll get little pockets of it as you go south of Kona. Are any of you familiar with what makes the white sand and what it's actually made of? So if you go snorkeling, you hear like a weird clicking sound in the ocean. That is the parrotfish. It has a beak on it, and what it does is it grazes on the reef. It's done that enough over time that it's chipped off all these pieces of rock, making the beaches for us. And that's why this island's beaches are so small, is they're all natural.
I saw you in my dream.
What is this facility right below us?
This is the port. So this was built by the military in the 50s. We call it the Kauai Harbor. And then Kevin Costner's movie Waterworld was actually filmed here. And that was the most expensive set in history of films, and it got destroyed by a tsunami. So they had to build it again.
So much fun.
So we'll have the Mauna Kea Beach, we'll then have Puna Beach, and then Beach 69, and that'll be Puako on the right. We're gonna come and do a turn on the right.
The sound of the ocean soothes my restless soul. Sound of the ocean rocks me all night long. Those hot, long summer days, lying there in the sun on a white sandy beach of Hawaii. The sound of the ocean soothes my restless soul. The sound of the ocean rocks me all night long.
So Puako in front of us, this will be Beach 69 and then Hapuna.
Oh, last night in my dreams, I saw your face again. We were there in the sun on a white sandy beach.
Kind of incredible. It's 30, 40 years ago, none of this existed. This was all man-made, minus the beaches. And I think they just redid this golf course too.
On the beach in Hawaii, hey, I wish you